It's not doing that. There goes the holly jolly spirit. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Fiona and Cake. Today we have apparently like a really good one. I was gonna wait to watch it until I was caught up with videos. Yeah, that episode 7 drops tonight. I'm just gonna watch it. I know the title of this one. It is called The Bird in the Clock. Now, honestly, I'm predicting a stupid little scene of a cuckoo clock going out. So all of the titles, yes, they're like storybooky, they're fairy tale-y, but they all do relate directly to Huntress Wizard. Last episode specifically, I thought it was awesome. Apparently it was still mixed reception, but whatever.
I hate it when they do that.
Okay, there's the tree that connects the multiverse, and now there's a time tree, which happens to be the willow, the tree, the main tree. That's so iconic. There could be other trees for other type of things, maybe like a soul tree. I don't know. Maybe this season is more of a time season versus a dimension season. Where I've accepted it. We're not gonna get a huge multiversal adventure. The best we're gonna get, maybe seeing Farm World. The kid showed up, looked different. I don't know what that means. Looking for the heart of the forest, which there's been no hints of it's this plant from episode 1, but I just think it is.
I want mommy.
If you squint, it's the plant. So Hunter has it. I really want to see them meet up because we haven't really seen different versions of the same character meet up. The statue is changing here and there, though. We only really see it once, but there is like Betty signs. It kind of has to have Betty references because this is all kind of from Betty now. I don't know if that's foreshadowing or leading to something, or if it's just kind of there because it has to be, you know? Huntress now has a cake arm. Also some cake. No, they really like drawing Huntress Wizard naked this season. I'm not complaining. There's yaoi depth now, and it's really interesting to see the difference of the PB and Marceline having this kind of toxic at times, really messy kind of thing. It's just kind of funny how different it is. Like, it's really not messy. Now, there's a lot of differences. I mean, in this world, Gary has loving parents. Oh my god, we got some Ice Queen stuff. Simone, is it Simone? There's still kind of the problem of a lot's going on and they're going about it slow enough. They're not really gonna get to everything. Just give up on DJ Flame. I am a little annoyed that this is taking up such a focus, but I think that's the point, you know? Croak Dreams? Again, I'm telling you, it's gonna come back up because they've reintroduced it. And we're gonna get to see, I assume, Finn. Oh, Wishy! There was debate, because it's unclear, I guess, on what Wishy did, on what this end scene is. A lot of people are taking it as such face value of Wishy did this. No. My interpretation is, that's the poison. The poison is draining his life, which is another reason why it's keeping him alive. And they're gonna get you. They're gonna get you. Besides, like, one or two little details, it's set up perfectly to have Finn could die. I don't believe them, and it would be such a not smart decision to do, but they could, and to be honest, I could see it happening. So it's part of the cope. I don't think it works as part of the story if he dies here on Adventure Time story or Fionna and Cake Season 2 story. Have I mentioned everything? Probably not. Am I gonna just jump into it anyways? Let's begin. Lettuce. The Bird in the Clock. Okay.
A long time ago, before the dawn of most things.
Wait, who is this? This voice just sounded very familiar to me, and it clicked that it's Prismo's voice actor from season 1. They gave him like a different role after getting the original back. That's awesome. Oh, okay. Oh. Are we seeing like gods?
Pizza.
This is like an ethereal type of plane.
So proud of eating the etheric pizza, which they've been told never to touch. But
why are they a cog? Wait, Citadel? Is that Citadel, guys? Am I Orb? These are gods.
Quarreling for the very first time. One brother panicked. Judgment was swift.
Oh, well, that makes sense, I guess.
The one accused of being the instigator was cast down. Cast down, never to be heard from again.
Okay.
The other was sentenced to become Fate's messenger.
It's the Cosmic Owl!
Come on, that's the Cosmic Owl!
Okay. There's a second? No, not a second Cosmic Owl. There's a brother to the Cosmic Owl. What does that have to do with anything? Oh, what, is the brother gonna get a croak dream? Can gods get croak dreams? Okay. Is that Jay? Jay? Corn? Oh, all the little things!
Surly friend.
Oh, she's an alternate version of Hunter, marooned in our universe.
Oh.
Why does little Destiny look like that? I don't know. Whatever. I don't know. What?
It's our venue!
What is...
Welcome!
Why?
Why?
Oh wow, yeah, you're a bad friend.
So I made the deal last night.
Dude. Hey?
You fit so many people in here!
But why would you want to?
Oh my...
The shirt. This dude...
How do you like yourself in Carrara?
I think you look like an angel.
What?
It's for you.
What?
Or whoever Marshall ends up with.
Oh, she's not homophobic at least.
Don't go down that path with that lady. I know where.
I saw the future.
I saw a vision of the future where you end up as her lackey.
No. No way that'll happen. She's not using me. I'm using
Well, she doesn't discount Crate.
They got
Why are
no
they
tickets
here?
to the event.
Boy Snipe from like what? Is it the first image?
Hey, Fiona, I'm sorry I hung up on you. I was feeling...
Oh. Oh my God! The connection, the conversation.
You're... me?
Why?
You are a soft version of me.
Are the crystal gems?
You don't know me. Real tough guy.
Why do you go? Okay, yeah.
I didn't want to bring this up, but I know a way to save him.
Bite him. Oh wait! They're doing that. I jokingly referenced that.
Are we doing more kissing?
From the Wedding Bells episode.
Marceline. Marceline.
The...
Your friends seem nice.
They're bringing this back?
We need to keep people's spirits up.
Is he always there?
Across multiple kingdoms.
Or just with
Child.
vampire stuff?
Bestow upon him the dog gift.
Wait, I can't believe I jokingly referenced this.
Do it. Now.
Strike now.
Did it work? Did it? Oh, now you're gonna die. Even he was weirded out. Oh no. Why is the clock upside down? You're going to sleep. This is is it a dream? Cause your eyes closed, so this is fake now. Yeah, I told you. Wait, that's uncharted because she didn't know Baby Finn was here, right?
Look where it landed me.
Okay. Oh no. That is what's meant to happen. Okay. We're getting the Cosmic Owl.
That's not real.
That's so weird. You're dreaming about my next stop.
No!
Give Finn a croak dream.
Croak dream.
No!
Would that do anything? Oh no! So he's just about to die here, okay? They're gonna prevent it. Winter King? Aww. Yeah.
You're a true loser.
Is that like the original Fionna? Wait, whatever happens. Just save, wait, no, yeah, just save Finn.
Egyptians there worship the feline animal.
Gender swap, baby. It's gonna happen now. You're gonna have sex. We're going through them all. Is interesting. Yeah.
Simone!
No. Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, she doesn't remember him.
No.
Oh man.
What? You split off?
Ah.
What does this mean? Is this happening now? Cause he's here. That's what he does.
We're meant to be!
Dude, someone do that, yeah.
Ow!
It did happen. It did happen.
Next, we got something off my first EP.
You were Finn.
Sorta.
Yeah, I think so. Let's make out.
Have you met Finn?
I've met a Finn.
A Finn. Oh, we gonna get him then if you've met a Finn.
Where
Are we? Is that the soup?
Soup time.
Is it Farm World? Yeah. Yeah, okay.
How's your head?
That was really bad.
Jay ran away with little Destiny.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, they're over here,
It's
man.
very happy and safe in my world.
Oh, that's why they were at the beginning.
Your world?
Okay. Oh wow. The crown.
I've met another Finn. Saved my life once.
Wait, that's such a cool connection.
Think of him.
You haven't met him, so you have to go through someone who had, and you have. Oh my god.
Where's Finn?
Here.
Not you.
My bad.
Found him!
Is this our Finn? Yeah, being chased by time. Time's getting you.
Cries of distress.
Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, we haven't seen them. And they're like all here. This is cool as hell.
We'll keep watch for Cosmic Owl.
What do? You can't have him enter, or else it will. I guess you could just have him not die. No, don't. Oh yeah, you're.
Now your job is to be dead.
Oh. You're evil. Oh my god, this show sucks. What? What is it? No. Time keeps killing him. He's just aging. Sword? That's not his sword. Is that Jake's? I won't be so honest, guys. I accidentally got this right because I was thinking of something else. This sword existed for like 2 episodes and they're referencing it here. That's just crazy to me. Does that make sense? Does he have? I feel like I remember him with that. The portal guy?
Come on, dude!
What did he do this to? What's going on?
Who are you?
My name is Fionna, and I'm here to keep
You're meeting.
alive.
You're like my girl, Jake.
Oh, that's so sad. Dude, last Christmas, you won't want to wake up. Wait, why is Jake not here if he can just dream? What? Where?
Who are you?
But he resets. Green? Why is it not red? I guess for the sensors. Oh my god, man. Okay. The princesses? Cake? Dude, we're watching torture porn of Finn the human. Okay. Yeah, alright, man, okay. No, not February. Okay.
What comes around, goes around.
I did it!
Yeah. Oh my god. Was something up with her face right there, by the way? Am I crazy? This guy sucks in his dreams.
How do you know if what you're doing is right?
I listen to my hero heart.
Kill. Kill everyone. Kill.
And trust the universe to lead me.
So you're getting like guidance. Oh my god. I hope these guys remember it. Dreamcatcher. That's good.
Be gone, vulture.
Yeah.
Listen, I don't have a choice. I'm just the messenger.
It's just the way it is. I'm just a messenger.
Don't shoot the messenger. You're at the what? How? Can you? I guess the dream wouldn't happen then. Okay, yeah, kill it. Kill him. Don't. Whoa, wait. What? Oh. Okay, so
It's all good. I stopped the cosmic owl in time.
It's all good. Did you? We don't know.
Heckin' heck.
Did. Oh God.
You, like, killed a god.
Did
Is that
you?
gonna be a big deal?
I guess.
Only get to the Citadel committing a cosmic crime.
What is all this? What are all the other fins?
So what's your story? You're like a hot me.
Whoa, he's bisexual. I didn't know that.
I owed you one.
Oh.
Huntress.
I know you're only dreaming.
Dude, this is
I'm not
crazy.
gonna remember this. But
Oh yeah, they won't remember. Then Farmworld won't remember his daughter's there.
I love you, Huntress.
Oh, you.
Later. Who are
No. What the hell? Dude has dementia.
Did it work?
I think. Maybe. We don't know. Cause if you were like half a second late,
I'm supposed to be a hero.
You already are a hero.
you saved the world, dude.
Follow your heart.
My heart.
No, don't.
DJ Slime.
To gag. Groff?
This is gonna sound weird.
She's home wrecking her other self.
This is kind of a big thing.
I know what you're gonna ask. I've been thinking about it too.
Oh?
Just talk.
Yes.
Just talk.
I'll play
You're
at your
talking about something
fundraiser.
else.
Anything to help you, Fee.
Oh my god. Okay.
Hey! Keep it down! Nobody likes you, bitch! I'm trying to listen to DJ Flame!
Can you kill her, please? Oh,
Fionna.
Fionna!
I like how they're doing this at least. Oh yeah, I guess I wouldn't quite worry about Marceline because she's just like immortal. Okay, don't. It's gonna end. Yeah. Fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I understand, guys. I understand. That was a little bit of a good one. That's what I want to see. That's what we've been waiting for. That is a crazy one. That's such a crazy one. We're getting a. I'm excited. I'm so excited for more. At least that's more confirmation that he doesn't die. Here. Okay. Okay. Did you kill a force of nature? So someone else will have to be the new dream guy? They put him in there. Dude, the world is against Finda Human right now. That's so cool. Okay. We saw the Citadel guys again. Is crazy. Fall. The Citadel guys. You killed the Cosmic Owl. Which is a cosmic crime. Like killing Prismo. Are you gonna get taken with the group that heals everything? Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
I hate this.
This is it! The Cosmic Owl is here!